Well, as we told you a little bit earlier, it's going to be freezing tonight, literally, but normally we'd suggest, hey, stay inside under the covers. Brendan Minship, though, is here to give you a compelling reason to actually go outside tonight.
If you can, set your alarm early. Now, I know, ew, but hear me out. Overnight tonight, an historic astronomical event will take place. It's going to be a nearly full partial lunar eclipse with over 97% of the moon in the darkest part of Earth's shadow, known as the umbra. And get this, because the moon is only 1 day away from its furthest point from Earth, it'll be the longest partial lunar eclipse in 581 years, and the longest one until February of 2669. So let's go ahead and dim the lights now and talk about what is going to happen in our West Texas skies tonight. The sun, the moon, and the Earth will all line up almost perfectly tonight, resulting in the moon passing through Earth's shadow. So if you at home are the sun and I'm the Earth, you'll see that I'm blocking your light and casting a shadow behind me here. The moon is going to move through the Earth's shadow, and that's what will cause this astronomical phenomenon tonight. So around midnight, the moon will start moving through the lightest part of Earth's shadow. If you're watching the moon with your naked eyes, you really won't notice much of a difference until almost 1 in the morning, once roughly 70% of the moon is now in Earth's shadow. At 1:18 this morning, the moon will begin to enter the darkest part of Earth's shadow where no sunlight shines. This is when the partial lunar eclipse officially begins, and over the next hour and a half, as the moon moves more and more into the shadow, it'll get darker and darker. At 3:03 a.m., the moon will be at its darkest, as 97.4% of the moon is in Earth's shadow. That 97% will appear a reddish hue. It's the combination of all the sunrises and sunsets occurring on Earth at that moment as sunlight passes through the Earth's atmosphere and is bent onto the moon. The southern part of the moon, that 3% or so that's not in the umbra and still receiving some sunlight, will be a bright white. By 5 a.m., the moon will be more than half out of Earth's shadow, and only a few minutes later will look once again like the bright November moon that we're used to. Now, I know it's hard to get up in the middle of the night, and I know it'll be chilly, but trust me, it'll be worth your time to look up at our beautiful West Texas skies tonight, and all that darkness means you'll actually even be able to see more stars in the sky when the moon is behind the Earth. Crystal?